Hey, I'm Sam. I'm with Turtleback Trailers. I'm about to walk you through an Expedition trailer. So right here, we'll start from the hitch, go all the way to the back. This is the Cruise Master hitch. I kind of call it the Star Wars hitch. It's an articulating hitch. That's important for not only off-road capabilities, but also if you were to roll your vehicle, your trailer, it's not going to roll your vehicle. Really easy to set up and lock in. It's also got a built-in handbrake. Breakaway cable. This is the arc wheel jack. This is helpful because it means that you can actually move your trailer without it being attached to your vehicle if you need to. And then you also have a standard jack right here. 7-way right here, that's going to connect all the running lights, brake lights, turning signals, etc. It's also going to connect the trailer brakes, the Dexter electric brakes, to your vehicle. Additionally, we've got 3 ways to charge a trailer. We've got shore power right here. We've got solar power right here. Every trailer is going to come with a 120 watt RedArc solar panel. And then you've got an Anderson setup if your vehicle allows you, so you can charge while you tow. In here, this is kind of what I refer to as the central nervous system of the trailer. We've got the RedArc Manager 30 total vehicle management system. You've got a 2,000 watt inverter from Maxtrax. This right here is just going to turn on the 110 in the back, so you can plug in an air fryer or something like that by your kitchen. And you've got 2 105 amp hour lithium batteries. This is the extension cord for the RedArc 120 watt solar panel. It just folds out, you lay it down, and it's actually just going to have stands. The reason we do that is so that it adds a little bit of flexibility for our owners. You can park your trailer in the shade, you put the solar panel in the sun, and you've got all that charging still. We've got Molly panels from American Adventure Labs for added storage. Right here is the shower control unit. All you'd need to do is turn on the water and the hot water heater, and you could actually have hot and cold water. You plug in the nozzle, and then you've had a shower tent that'll swing out. We'll move over down this way towards the side of the trailer. We've got more Molly panels from American Adventure Labs. We've got the American Adventure Labs fridge slide right here with a built-in cutting board. Also an extra leg. This is going to give you added strength. Snowmaster CL72 fridge freezer. Right here, this is the RedArc Rogue system. This is going to be turning on all the external, internal lights, turtle lights, kitchen lights, reverse lights, rock lights. I just turned on every USB on the trailer like that. Hot water, water pump. This is a ARB air compressor, and all of this can be controlled from an app on your cell phone. You can also monitor the 42-gallon water tank, your battery level, all of that from your cell phone. Our Expeditions come with a Medical Points Abroad first aid kit. They make a really awesome product, and they're actually here at the expo, and they'll walk you through their first aid kits. Right here we've got 17-inch wheels with 35-inch tires. These are from Nomad. We've matched them to the powder coat finish on our trailer. Our trailers are made of aluminum skin sets and galvanized steel that's then lined. That's all done in Tennessee. We'll move on to the back here. This is going to be the fill port. Over here we've got the Expedition kitchen with flip down stainless steel tables, Dometic stainless steel sink. This is your UV carbon water filter right here. So you've got filtered water from that 42-gallon water tank. Really nice if you're not so sure about your water source. And then you've got the Cook Partner stove that's going to be powered by the propane tanks. You've got an 11-pound and a 5-pound propane tank. Right here, this is another awesome product from American Adventure Labs. This is a powder-coated aluminum rack. It's really hard to see, but gives you a lot of easy access to awesome storage. And it locks just like that. This is our Lightner powder-coated aluminum roof rack. Roof space tent, Bush Company awning. This is probably the strongest awning on the market. Just to demonstrate, I don't think you can do this with a lot of freestanding awnings. Underneath here, we've got our Turtleback signature suspension. This is an axle suspension. Those are independent control arms manufactured in-house, Radflo shocks, and pretty beefy coil springs. That's going to allow you to basically bring this trailer anywhere that your Bronco or your Jeep is going. Exo corner steadies, each one of these from ARC. Each one of these is rated to 1,929 pounds. The benefit there is that not only can you level your trailer, but if you were to blow a tire, you can actually jack the trailer up on these without having to grab anything off your vehicle, swap out that tire, and get back on the trail. Over here, Backwoods Adventure. This is a dual jerry can holder, demo shovel, jerry cans. We got the Maxtrax right here, and then that Turtleback gear bag that everyone loves so much. And then you've got additional storage in here. This is access to your Hot water heater from Dometic. More Molly storage. This is the actual, in here, the air compressor. And the actual RedArc solar panel. It's all folded up nice and neat. That is generally, at a high level, the Turtleback trailer. If you want to get any more information, visit us at turtlebacktrailers.com. There's a lot of awesome information. You can also reach out to any of us and we'd be happy to chat.